Hey guys, welcome to my new video. In this episode I'm gonna try to fix an error code on FIAT Punto from 99 to 2002 year, and I have this diagnostic tool and I haven't used this for years maybe, and I have finally successfully started the program and successfully read the engine codes, how many fault codes we have at the moment with the car. And I don't know, the car has a problem starting and it doesn't run okay, so we're gonna try to fix that, but we'll see what is gonna come out of it. But I wanted to show you the process if we eventually succeed in this venture. So now I'm gonna clear these codes. Check engine light is on at the moment. There is one more error code at the moment, so I will see what is going on with this error. So guys, we have found a couple of problems. I wanted to show you, this is the muff sensor that is measuring the air that goes into the car, and you can see that it is being clogged, and this plastic was like this melted on top of it, along with some other pieces that I just chipped out of here. This was all in front of the sensor, so this was the first problem. And we have found, this is the actuator that is giving us the fault code that we have. And now we just realized and found that the plug is disconnected from the actuator's sensor over here. So this is controlling by vacuum, it's controlling this valve over here, and since this is disconnected, this is the reason for the fault code. So we are gonna reattach this and clean the muff sensor and see if the car is gonna start. Well, we decided to take one extra step and removed the air gear of the car and kind of cleaned it, because it was full with debris and dirt over here from the fumes. When we did that, what I found was that not only the plug for the vacuum valve was disconnected, and also the main hose that is supplying the vacuum to the valve from the vacuum pump, that is from here going to this hose over here. Inside of this sort of a tank there is a sort of vacuum ballast or something, I don't know what it is, and the vacuum is connected through this hose over here, and this hose was disconnected. I don't know why and how and when this happened, but it appears that this vacuum that is responsible for the throttle body valve over here was not working. Everything is now connected, and when we disassemble this thing, we were able to see that there is a fault on that side as well. So thankfully this is gonna be fixed as well. So we're gonna assemble everything back and we're gonna see what is gonna happen. Hopefully the car will start and work properly this time. Well guys, the car has started and now we don't have any fault codes and the mule is not activated, no warning lamps, so this is okay. But the car is still not perfect. There is something definitely wrong. We think that one of the injectors is faulty. And this is it, guys. It starts and it drives. Thank you again for watching. Stay safe and hope to see you in my next videos.